All right, going for another ride really quick on the Billy Goat. Let's try this place out. Back in the field. Alright, so on this Blade 150S, it's got this IC2 connector for the ESC. Got an adapter, actually I made this one to go to a JST plug. So hopefully you can see that. Let's get that rigged up. I got like 5 of these batteries, so didn't want to buy any of these IC2s, plus it's a different charger. Second battery, only have 2 today, takeoffs. Move up some. A little bouncy, some wind picking up. Woo. A bit more negative on that one. Try it again. Doing a little loopy. A little too much. Keep it on the side, try and do a tail end loop. Practice some of those left to right. Forward. Maybe I'll go a little slower on the rate of flipping. Yeah, instead of doing 100% throws, I'm doing like maybe 60-70% on the sticks. A little smoother. Oh, hat's in the way. Come back. Fix the hat. It's blocking my view. Alright. It's actually a 100% throw stick. Rolls a little slower. 100% throw. Alright, let's come back a little bit. Not too far. It's about 50% throw on the stick. It's cool. A little slower. $100. Whew. That's collective. All right. Trying to get it so it doesn't stays more in one position versus flying around. See how it's going too far. Try and keep it in like one area, but it's just too much collective. Practice. Do a tail end further out though. Woo. lost orientation. Where are we at? Okay, let's come back. Let's just fly it around then. Battery's out. Bring it back in. Whoop. I don't know, like I was saying, it's going to take me another 20 to 30 more flights just to get progressive on this heli. Hard to see, at least for me, and squirrely. Got to use probably less rates, but it's super fun.